Well, with our to-do list a mile long back at the house, we need to make sure we have the materials to get the job done. And I'll tell you what, with 65 years in business, 84 Lumber knows exactly what they're doing. Hey, my friend, you got an order for Military Makeover
Yes,
out there?
I'm going to go get it right now.
You are?
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
Jason's waiting for you.
Jason?
Yes, he
All right,
is.
cool. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Jason.
Art, how you doing?
Good to meet you, man. Wow, what a place here. You have it all when it comes to building materials. Listen, tell me about 84 Lumber, because 65 years in the business, like I said, you guys really have the pro taken care of and the DIY expert.
Absolutely. I mean, our business goes from that small do-it-yourselfer weekend warrior all the way to that contractor.
Operated by a female CEO. Our veteran is a female veteran. Great tie-in there. Tell me about the company.
Absolutely. So Maggie Hardy, our president, you know, we've been around since 1956. She really is all about, you know, women empowerment and then also the veteran empowerment as well, with her father also being a military veteran.
And what do you got going on for us material-wise?
So we're going to be supplying the felt paper and then the shingles for Michelle.
That's fantastic. Was the roof in bad condition, do you know?
It was very bad condition.
Why is it important that you hire veterans?
It's very important. The veteran really finds, you know, like characteristics to the military with 84 Lumber.
Jason, what is it going to mean to you on a stormy night in the future, knowing that Michelle's roof is safe and protecting her from the elements?
It's going to mean everything to me personally and to 84 Lumber. It's why we do what we do. Just, you know, knowing the sacrifice that Michelle's had over her military career and then being able to provide something small like that. It's great.
Hey, just so you know, the order's ready to go, man.
Caesar, thank you so
No
much.
problem.
Listen, I'll let you two get back to work. Jason, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.
Great job, guys. And with the outside of the roof taken care of now, we can focus on the inside of the house, which means I've got a little meeting with Jen.